All right, guys, here we go. 25 new products from Ryobi. Let's check them out, see what they got.
Power tool world, there's been a big shift from corded products to cordless products. And even as this cordless product revolution has been going on, you've seen product a couple months ago.
Skip ahead a little bit here. Listen to these guys ramble on. It looks like we're getting a couple new drills, 5 new saws, they said, a bunch of outdoor stuff.
To exceed every expectation of our end users. There are 3 key elements that make up a 1+ HP tool.
I think there's a lot of people watching this, so it keeps glitching a little bit.
Which gives the tool more power,
so here we go.
Longer
impact wrench,
and longer motor life.
Blade right saw
is an advanced electronics package.
New recip.
Tool to perform
it keeps switching
at its
around.
Highest levels at the most during the
so
most
this is essentially the
and
Milwaukee,
the third
but
is
Ryobi.
our next generation lithium-ion battery.
Not the Milwaukee Gen 3. This is like the Milwaukee Gen 2 drill.
It's more compact.
You notice that?
And it features the new high visibility fuel gauge.
We've been hard at work this year working on 9 new 40-volt HP tools to bring to the lineup that already contain 50+ tools.
I don't care about the 40 volt. I'm not into the outdoor power line. Sorry,
Thanks,
guys.
Drew and Steve. As you just heard,
I've never used a tool in my life.
So, we are more than excited to launch this brand new line of product.
Absolutely.
Thanks, Billy.
And Ryan, as you know,
here we go, guys. Show me some products here.
Performance in a compact.
All right, I'm gonna pause it right here. So, looks like we're getting a couple auger style tools here. This one we've seen in Australia. This is the newest, the bigger one. Looks like it's either 6 or 8 inch at least. Let's see what else is new. Some sort of new string trimmer. So here's the new impact wrench. We're getting another new impact driver. Drill. I think this is the hammer drill. We're getting a new angle grinder, which is nice because that brushless angle grinder really sucked. I hated that thing. Get a new jigsaw. It looks just like the Milwaukee D handle. Again, this looks just like the Milwaukee. Looks just like the Milwaukee, and so does this. So essentially, they're bumping up to some better quality tools. Hopefully, it looks like.
Lightweight side of product lineup. Tools. 1+ HP.
These guys like to hear themselves talk. All right, here, let's listen.
Inch-pounds of torque in both of these drills. And we did it in a more compact size compared to our previous generation.
We took a centimeter off.
Drill.
Oh, look, they redid the batteries.
Not only did we increase power, but we increased speed as well, with up to 2,100 RPMs for faster drilling. For users that are going through concrete and masonry, our hammer drill in hammer mode
the battery profile.
offers 29% faster
different
drilling.
Look at that.
That's 31,000 blows per minute to power through concrete, brick, and block. Not to mention, we left no pro features behind.
She just likes to say blows per minute.
We included a half-inch ratcheting metal chuck, a 24-position clutch, as well as a 2-speed gearbox and LED
That's
light.
standard. Yep,
the combination
standard.
of these pro features, coupled with our brushless motor with improved performance, propel these drills to outperform against the
chuck
competition.
metal or is it plastic?
Now, if users are looking for
more
power and doing more heavy-duty applications,
SDS rotary hammers looks
this
just like the
SDS
Milwaukee.
Plus rotary hammer is the perfect complement to
kind of
this
slick,
drilling
actually.
lineup. This will take drilling to the next level with cordless power.
Peggy, as
Thanks, Peggy.
Competition can't even get the hole started. So what about a heavier duty task?
All right, so this is clearly a Craftsman. You can see the battery. This is either Cobalt or Craftsman, of course. And this is clearly a brushed drill. I love how they always do these competitions.
Hammer drill may be required. Very similar outcome. While 1+ HP powers right through, the competition can't even start the task.
1-inch Forstner bit should be able to do it.
Performance, innovation, and
the use and head-to-head speed
Wait,
of drive
I'll back
test.
that up. I want to hear this.
The brushless motors provide up to 2,200 inch-pounds of torque.
Is that a quiet one?
For driving those long
Is that a
laps
hydraulic driver?
through the toughest materials. Up to 4,000 impacts per minute provide 25% faster driving speed than our brush tool.
Okay, guys, 4,000 impacts per minute. The old Ryobi, the 3-speed brushless one, the original one that came out with the HP in it, that one, it claimed 2,000 inch-pounds of torque, and it had, oh my God, what was the RPMs? It was just under Milwaukee. It wasn't 4,000. I want to say it was 3,400.
And outperforms the competition in head-to-head speed of drive tests. When you step up into our 4-mode
What is
impact
this?
driver, the user will see low, medium, and high speeds, as well as an assist mode. The assist mode provides the user with unmatched control when driving long lag screws all the way down to the part of the 1 Plus HP family.
Wait.
Both impact drivers provide...
So 1/4 inch brushless impact driver. So this is just speed and non-speed, the exact same thing. One's got a switch on it, one doesn't. That's stupid.
Provide the user with more power, faster driving speeds, and a more compact
229,
size.
good
the brushless
lord.
motors provide up to 2,200 inch-pounds of torque
So
for
they bumped up
driving
the
those
torque
long
supposedly.
lags through the toughest.
These impact drivers are really delivering screws into 4x4 material.
Again, that's definitely a Craftsman. This is the cheap Craftsman, doesn't have a 3-speed selector on it, and they're using a small battery.
And what you're going to see here, there really isn't much of a competition, as the 1 Plus HP impact driver is able to drive these lag screws up to 30% faster than the competition. Again,
I didn't know
1 Plus
Craftsman was a
HP,
competition.
power, performance, benefits.
If you ask me, Ryobi's
50
way better than
foot-pounds of
Craftsman.
fastening
Ooh.
torque. Users will see high speeds as well as an auto mode to prevent over-tightening in forward and controlled removal in reverse. With 450 foot-pounds of fastening torque, users will see twice the driving speed of long lags on the construction site compared to the brushless competition, making this the perfect addition both on the job site and in the garage. On top of the incredible performance of this tool, it features a die-cast gear case and tri-beam LEDs for maximum durability and visibility in the darkest places. This impact wrench will be available tool only and kit configurations both in-store and online, exclusively at the Home Depot.
Yeah, we got it. Home Depot
Thanks
only,
again,
or
Eric.
online.
Wow, what an
Amazon or eBay.
impact wrench move one.
Let's see. What's the comparison here? This is... Again, it looks like the Craftsman. But what is that? I can't tell.
Of those fasteners, 1 Plus HP can remove all of them. What a terrific example of the power and performance that our new 1 Plus HP saw.
All right, the
most
saws. Here we
demanding.
go. All right, guys. Blade right saw, which I can't stand. I like the blade left saw. That's the main reason why I like Ryobi, guys, because they have the freaking blade left. Nobody else has it. Again, just like the Milwaukee D handle, this, I don't really use the oscillating multi-tool very much, so I could really care less. It looks like it does have a quick release flap on it, and this one looks just like the Milwaukee. Well, not just like, but similar. New handle style, and then again, new updated, whatever this is called, brushless angle grinder. Looks like it's a paddle switch this time. You can see the paddle switch right there.
In terms of power and performance. And this being so, they perfectly embody everything the HP series is all about, combining advanced technological features and powerful brushless motors to create our most powerful, fastest cutting, and most durable saws to date. Up first, we have our 1 Plus HP recip saw. This recip
Close your
saw
mouth,
is
that's not
our
very ladylike.
fastest
Good
cutting
lord.
saw that we've ever made.
Really?
The brushless motor provides up to 3,200 strokes per minute.
Just
to
200
provide
more than their old one?
68% faster cutting than our brush solution. You can expect up to
they're comparing to the brushed
380
one.
cuts per charge to increase productivity on
Oh,
the
we will
job
be
site.
testing that.
The Easy Blade
We
Release
will be
lever
testing that.
ensures that blade changes are quick and easy. Simply pull the lever forward, your blade pops out, and you're ready to pop in your next blade
Just like
and get
every
on
other
to the next
reciprocating
material.
saw.
For crosscuts and rip cuts, we introduced our new 1 Plus HP 7¼ inch circular saw.
Still
This saw
plastic.
is faster cutting than our previous brushed unit and 325 cuts per charge to ensure all-day runtime. With 2 7/16 inch depth of cut, you can rest assured that this saw has full capacity to cut some of your thrilling cuts. We have our new 1 Plus
129.
HP jigsaw, which gets up to 36% faster cutting.
I like
thanks
their
to that
brushless one they have now.
You can also expect 78% longer runtime than the previous brushed solution. While this tool is Ryobi's fastest jigsaw to date, it's also our most durable, with a die-cast, non-marring shoe to
Just like
help
the old one.
prevent any damage to your
Looks
pre-finished or
very similar
delicate
to the old
work
one.
surfaces.
Between the old one and the
Users
Milwaukee.
can customize
The
this tool
top here is
to their needs
slanted a little bit
with
more.
4 positions of orbital settings, as
Well,
well as
there's
a
4
variable
positions.
speed
The old one
dial
had
to
3.
get up to your new.
This tool features a couple great features that are going to make users' lives easier. Firstly being the tool-free blade change lever, allowing you to change from a wood.
You know, I love how they make people look like freaking morons. It takes literally 20 seconds to grab an Allen wrench, untwist it, pop off this, and pop on the blade. Literally, I could do it in 20 seconds.
Cutting blade to a
We're gonna
metal
time
cutting
it.
blade to a sanding pad and everything in
God,
between
it's toolless.
without doing the tool.
Only $499.
Today.
Save you 20 seconds.
It's going to cut over 200 3/8-inch pieces of rebar on a single 9-amp-hour battery discharge.
And the old one couldn't even cut
thirdly,
one
has
piece of rebar
better
without
loader
stalling out.
performance than our current brushless
Piece
angle
of
grinder.
crap.
All in all, that makes it the most powerful brushless angle grinder that we've ever made.
Really?
Now, we touched on power and performance,
Thanks,
the business
Billy.
end of the tool.
Stop talking about touching stuff, pervert.
With one
Oh,
As well,
they redid the
variety of configurations and available as tool
nuts,
only.
just like the
Now,
Milwaukee
Brian,
one?
I'm going to toss it back to you.
Oh, whatever.
competition doesn't. Moving from there, our new 1+ HP recip saw. Common application of
Let's see, what are they comparing this to? 3-speed.
cutting 2x material. And again, 1+ really shines through, as we're able to make these
This
two
is,
cuts faster than the leading competitor. Again, power, performance,
cable.
versatility.
We've talked about back drivers in string back outdoor platforms.
Hey, and
Oh, I got my mask on. It doesn't do anything.
We'll have
Nah. Makes me sick.
We have packed into our HP tools. Now we're going to pass things over to Steven, who's
Really
going to
tight
take you
pants,
through
Batman.
some of the
Good
newer
Lord.
18-volt 1+.
New 1+ HP 13-inch string trimmer, we're bringing you the perfect solution. With a brushless motor providing 1.5 times more power, you're going to have time and money. This unit will come with an auto feed head.
So they redid
which
the head sweep.
automatically
The head
feeds
sweep was
trimmer
actually
line
pretty nice.
with the pull of a trigger. Speaking of triggers, the 13-inch string trimmer will come with both a high-low speed switch as well as a variable speed trigger. When looking to cut around
Shut up, Brian.
overhanging limb for easy chain adjustments. These features combined make it virtually effortless to break out that
I hate this
chainsaw and
pump
get right
bulb
to work.
thing.
As
It's
opposed
just
to other
garbage.
units, you might have to be searching
Why do they
around
put that
for
back on
tools
there?
or performing that
Their monthly service. Oh my god! Again, they make you sound like you're freaking mentally handicapped. It's
The
not
other
that hard
HP
to drain the
tools we've
oil in your
talked about up
chainsaw
to this point
and
today,
store it for the
This
winter.
mower is going to be ideal for that user
Or
who
use
has-
it all winter long, like most people.
that allows you to bring the bag up through the hand. The 16.
Much like we did on the power tool side, we're going to show you guys some head-to-head videos to see how the 18-volt 1+ HP outdoor tools stack up against competition. The 18-volt 1+ HP 10-inch chainsaw features a powerful HP motor that's going to give you faster cutting speeds and optimal cutting performance to crush the competition. And lastly, our 18-volt 1+ HP hedge trimmer powers through every cut and features anti-jam technology to push you through the job faster than you would with any other tool. As Lee said, over the past 5 years, we've...
These attachments include an edger, a pole saw, to even a
This is where they
cultivator and a
get you
snow
all the
thrower,
different attachments.
giving our users the
It's like, how
versatility
many different
to be
models
able
are they
to
going to come out with
tackle
these
a variety
attachments?
of jobs. Design that's going to be perfect for increased durability, trees all over your clothes, or rapid charger. What Steve Free as who is going to go over.
Tool that we're going to introduce to you guys today is the Ryobi 40-volt HP brushless 8-inch dirt auger. This tool
Use it
truly
on
meets
ice?
the requirements of the 40-volt HP customer. The power and performance of gas without the headaches. Now, before we get into the details of this tool, I think it's important to talk about the competition and where the Ryobi auger falls within that marketplace. Dirt augers are still relatively new to the cordless landscape, as tough digging applications typically require a gas engine.
Stop.
Now, the problem with gas augers is that they're heavy, hard to start.
Look at this lady. She looks insane.
and leave nothing on the table. James is going to take you through the features and benefits that make these mowers a cut above the rest. And
Oh, they're
he has
so
some
clever.
really
A cut
exciting news
above
to
the
share
rest.
about their
Wah, wah,
production
wah.
that set them apart from other mowers in the industry.
When it comes to walk mowers, Homeowners with up to 3/4 of an acre are looking for a superior cutting experience in all types
All right, guys.
of
I pretty
brands.
much want to
From
see
St.
the
Augustine to
standard
Bermuda,
tools. I really don't
Fescue
care
to
about
Georgia.
lawnmowers.
The idea is to have a perfectly striped, manicured yard that will keep all your neighbors jealous. We also found the homeowners want a mower that's easy to use and, most importantly, low maintenance. I am thrilled to announce that Ryobi now has 2 new Ryobi 40-volt HP 21-inch
I like my 60-volt more. I got the Greenworks
But it gets better.
OPE
Both
guys,
of these
and
mowers
it's
are proudly
phenomenal.
made in the U.S. right here in Anderson, South Carolina.
For real?
With these 2 new Ryobi 40-volt HP mowers, we now have a great option. First up, the 21-inch self-propelled mower. This mower is built with a
Sorry, my record button was in the way. I couldn't see what they were doing here.
This mower comes with a 54-inch adjustment featuring 12 different settings.
Yeah, who wants to spend $4 grand on a freaking battery-powered lawnmower? Are you kidding me? Not me.
2 cup holders. Hydration.
Ooh, cup holders. Because Americans aren't fat enough.
We have a USB port.
You think you can mow the lawn without sucking down a big gulp of pop?
Last but not least, we have armrest.
Armrest.
Sit back, relax, get comfortable, and let's cut
so you
some
can
grass.
relax those
The
big
Ryobi 48
bingo
volt
wings.
HP 54-inch ZTR is
Lord.
available only on HomeDepot.com.
Thanks, James. Now that
Thanks,
wraps
Billy.
up all the outdoor tools being added to our new HP line
Why is everybody
of
tuck their shirts in?
26 tools.
That's right, Elise. And really here at Ryobi, our mission is simple. Continue to deliver OnePlus
Anyways,
HP
guys,
solutions.
I can't listen to these guys ramble on anymore. That is the release. Some new cools. I can't talk. Some new tools. Looks pretty slick, guys. We're definitely will be getting some of these, the impact wrenches, impact drivers, and testing those out. Maybe some of the new saws, putting them head to head, guys. Let me know what you think of these new tools. Leave some comments down below. Come on, hit that like button, guys. And I should have a new video out real quick right after this one. All right, guys. Much love. Have a good night. See ya.